Hey guys, this is a quick and dirty video. Actually, turn it off so they can see what we're doing. You're gonna do low in that?
Yes.
Okay. So his metalness put 3 blades on first on this Manhattan, because that's a good way to keep the flywheel in good shape before you put on all 6. But we thought that we would do a quick and dirty video. You'll see the lights aren't on yet and the shades aren't on the fan, and it's. But we're gonna just go through the 3 factory speeds, tack it, and CFM it, and see how that compares to 6.
Okay.
So it'll be a very interesting. What's it set to, your metalness?
Set to low.
Okay. Are you gonna tack all the speeds or just high?
Well, we could tack.
Okay.
Mainly.
If you don't get a clean reading, you could try turning the lights on, and that might give you a little more light to get a better reading. Capacitor-based speeds.
Still speeding up.
It is speeding up. I can see that visibly.
Basically, go with 230 here.
230. Okay, so the the thing's in the other room, but that's gonna be just under 80, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Because 240 divided by 3 would be 80.
Yep.
So then that's gonna be 3 less than that. So that's gonna be like 77, 76, 77. Here, I'll double check my math.
Okay.
Oops, I typed in the wrong thing. Yep, 77. Okay, let's go to media. And this will confirm one of the theories that I've always had, 0.58, 0.71 power factor. So one of the theories I've always had, because these are kind of slow with all 6 blades.
Yeah.
But I don't think I've ever tested them with 5 or 4. And so my theory is that they run like a normal K55 fan, it's just that they have 6 full-size blades.
Right.
Which is still how I would install them, because they look cool and they move plenty of air, but it'll be interesting to compare. If I had to bet, I'm going to bet that probably it'll perform better with 4 than it would with 3.
496.
But we'll at least compare 3 and 6, because we can do that without having to take blades off.
Right. And rearrange
Yep.
them.
165, let's see what it does on high.
That's about right.
Yep. You know what I just realized? I think, no, not the center shade. I was going to say we could use the same shades as your Sears, but not the center one. The center one has to be a different shade.
I wonder what he did with the shades for my series.
They're on the box over there.
Okay.
Okay, 0.77, 92 watts, and a whole power factor.
Mm-hmm. Wow. 690.
690 divided by 3. Oh yeah, that's 230. That's well over.
Yeah.
So yeah, well, it's definitely gonna be different when you put all 6 blades on it. But now for the real test, comparing the CFM.
Okay.
Maybe one day we'll do one of these with 5 and 4 as well, just so we can see what's actually the best air mover. But for today, at least, we can for sure do 3 and 6.
Oh, I got 531.
$7,800. So that's right around a normal K55 reading.
Yep. Okay.
Is that it for this quick and dirty video?
What's that?
Is that it for the quick and dirty video?
Pretty much.
Okay. Well, when you see us in a few minutes, we will have all 6 blades, shades, the lights on the fan, the photography lights on. You'll have the whole deal. Thanks for watching.